last night, maybe around 7:15 to 7:30. And that time I was informed by the SDO Civil and the SDPO that it was so foggy. The moment they crossed this Lailankwat, it was so foggy. Of course, there was no rain, but it seems while going down, there was also one truck. Then it seems they wanted to overpass that. So unfortunately, they went down to the off the road and leading to the death of 5 people. Yes, that one, if in fact from time to time I call a meeting, and in fact since last week I fixed a meeting today also with the concerned authorities, be it NHIDCL, be it the company who was selected the work for construction. So today I had a meeting with them. In fact, we fixed the meeting since last, as I said, since last week, and this incident happened just last night. So I've already instructed to the concerned contractor as well as to the NHIDCL. Not only that, I've instructed even the civil, SDO Civil and the SDPO to make sure, and I think day after tomorrow or something, CE NH also, we will go and inspect those vulnerable places wherever needed. They will make sure that the signage is properly displayed in such areas. My grief, my condolences to the bereaved family, and moreover, almost the whole family was killed with this incident. So I would request to all of you also to understand the reality. As I said to you, let us wait till the report is given to us, and we will see what is to be done. I think for the detailed report from the SDO Civil, from the SDPO, then we will accordingly see what is to be done. But my meeting today with the concerned construction company as well as the NHIDCL is that make sure that the signage has to be properly placed in such vulnerable places wherever we feel that it is needed.